All right, so we are almost there. This is another devblog for Nightbear, and we've got 17 hours left to go in the submission deadline. And I have submitted, and if this ends up uh, being the version that is judged, then I won't be mortified. So you can go to the Screamortality page. You can see the game right here. You can download the beta version, which I've just uploaded. Um, and I encourage you to do so. We got screenshots over here. Got the build right here. I may attempt to upload a Mac and Linux build as well. And this is pretty much finished, barring some possible bug fixes. Go check it out. I'll put the links down below as always. Also join our Discord, and let us know what you think. See you next time.